Hello viewers, this Style Too Fast here. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the new Reolink Argus 3 camera. This is a wireless security camera with a rechargeable battery inside. Now if you also get the Reolink solar panel, you can connect it to this camera and it'll automatically charge a battery during the daytime. This setup is maintenance free. The Argus 3 has a built-in super bright LED spotlight. You can set it to have it turn on at night when motion is detected, and it'll give you color nighttime vision. This camera also has a passive infrared sensor, so it can detect when a person is walking by and reduce the number of false alerts from blowing trees or small animals. In this video, I'll go over everything from setup to installation, and we'll also take a look at the recorded videos. Let me first show you the unboxing of the Reolink Argus 3 camera, which is this box right here. Now I also have the Reolink solar panel, which is an optional accessory for charging the camera. Now the Argus 3 does come with a built-in rechargeable battery. But if you install the solar panel, then this system is totally maintenance free. You don't have to take the camera down to charge it. I'll first unbox the Reolink Argus 3 camera. User manual. Security sticker. Sticker template for installing the camera on the wall. This is the Argus 3 camera. This is a magnetic wall mounts. This is a screw-in ball joint wall mounts. A strap you can use to tie around a pole or a tree. USB charge cable. Installation screws. Let's take a look at the Reolink solar panel too. User manual. Installation template. Here's the solar panel. Mounting base for the solar panel. Installation hardware. Here's a look at everything that comes with the Argus 3 and the solar panel. So let's have a closer look at this Reolink Argus 3 camera. It uses a 2 megapixel Starlight CMOS sensor. The resolution on it is Full HD 1920 by 1080 at 15 frames per second. The viewing angle of the camera lens is 120 degrees. At the top are two bright LEDs. When these are turned on, they work as spotlights. Now when the LEDs are on at night, the night vision you see will be in color instead of black and white. In the middle here is LED indicator. Now below the camera lens is a photo cell for detecting daytime or nighttime. And that's how it knows to switch to night vision at night. The night vision on this camera is good up to 10 meters or 33 feet. Right here is a microphone. Now there's a speaker on the back, so you can have two-way audio on this camera. At the bottom is a PIR, or passive infrared sensor. This is used to detect heat signature from humans or large objects that emit heat. The motion detection range is good up to 10 meters or 33 feet. When the camera detects motion, it will send you a push notification, and you can also set it up to send you an email alert. Let's have a look at the back. Behind this cover is a micro USB connector for charging the internal battery. Now make sure you put this cover back on after you charge it to keep the water out. Right here is a speaker, and there's a screw-in mount for installing the base. Look at the bottom. You can install a microSD memory card for recording motion detected events. Right here is on-off switch. This camera is weather resistant and is IP65 rated. The operating temperature is minus 10 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius, or 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 131 degrees Fahrenheit. This camera has Wi-Fi working on 2.4 gigahertz. Here's a look at the two mounting bases that come with this camera. This one here on the left has a threaded screw that you screw onto the back of the camera. Now if you look at the bottom, you can remove this plate and then install this onto a wall. After you do that, then you screw this top piece back on. And when you tighten this down, then it'll lock this ball joint down and prevent it from moving around. This one here has a magnet on one side, and you install this piece onto the camera. And same thing on the bottom, you can remove this piece, install onto the wall, and then screw this top piece back on. Now all you have to do is place the camera on the mounts. You can adjust it to any angle you like. Now with these two mounts, you can also use the strap that's included. You can loop the strap through the slot right here, and you tie it around a pole or a tree. Here's a look at the Reolink solar panel 2. It's very compact is a lot smaller than the previous solar panel they had. The overall dimension is 4 3/4 inch wide and 7 1/4 inch high. Let's have a look at the back. The maximum power is 3.2 watt, maximum voltage is 6 volt, and maximum current is 530 milliamp. Right here you have this long cable that goes to a micro USB connector, and you plug this to the back of the camera to charge it. To install the solar panel, you'll first need to install this bracket onto the wall. Over here you can loosen this and adjust the angle of this ball joint, and then you screw this end onto the back of the solar panel. Here I'll connect the solar panel to the camera, open up this cover, plug this connector to the back. Make sure it's seated in all the way, and make sure this boot is inside this hole to prevent water from going in. Now when you first get it, it's recommended you charge a battery with the included USB cable. Right now I'm going to install a microSD memory card into the camera. Also turn it on.
Camera has been started up. Please run Reolink app, add the camera, and set it up.
To set up the camera, first install the Reolink app. Now on my Reolink app, I already have several other cameras set up, so I'm going to add this new Argus 3 camera to my app. Now before you start, make sure your phone is connected to the home Wi-Fi. Next I'll select the plus sign to add the device. Now scan the QR code that's on a sticker on the back of the camera. Select Wi-Fi not configured. Enter the password for your Wi-Fi. On the next screen, the app will display a QR code, and you need to point that QR code to the front of the camera.
Connection to the router succeeded. Welcome to Reolink.
Now you need to set up a login password. You can name the camera. I'll just call it Argus 3. And you can change the name later on if you want. The setup is now complete. Here are some tips with using the camera. Here's the Argus 3. Select it. And right now you're looking at the live view. Now the resolution you're looking at right now is low. You can toggle this to 1080p. You can pause the video. Play it. You can turn on the speaker and hear the audio. You can take a snapshot and save it to your phone. You can record this live video and save it to your phone. Press it again to stop the recording. If you want to manually turn on the spotlight, press the flashlight icon right here. There's also a siren you can enable. To go into the camera settings, press the gear icon right here. Here it tells you the camera model number, battery is 91% charged, the network that this camera is connected to, display. You can rotate the screen, quality. This will show you the video resolution of the clear video and the fluent video. Anti-flicker is set to 60 Hz. Day and night mode is auto. The camera name is going to appear at the bottom right. The date will appear at the top center. Watermark is on. And there's also a privacy mask. Here you can specify 3 areas on the screen to block and have privacy. PIR motion sensor is on. You can set up a schedule for motion detection. Here you can set the sensitivity. If you notice you're getting a lot of false alarm, you can enable this to reduce false alarms. At the bottom you can adjust the sensitivity. Camera recording is on. You can also set the time of the post motion recording. Right now default is 8 seconds, so you can set it to 8, 15 or 30 seconds. Push notification by default is off. I'm going to enable this. You can also set up email alerts. The siren by default is off. You can enable this if you want. Now keep in mind if you enable this, the siren will go off with motion detection. Share camera will display a QR code for this camera. If you have another mobile device running Reolink app, you can scan the QR code and add this camera into the other app. Advanced. Here you can change the device password, day and time. The time will automatically sync to the phone time. Record audio is enabled. Spotlight. Right now auto on when alarm is triggered is enabled, so the spotlight will turn on when motion is triggered. The auto during live view is disabled. If you enable this, then when you turn on the live view at night, the spotlight will turn on, giving you a color night view. The infrared lights for night vision is set to auto. Status LEDs on. Let's go back. So let's take this outside, get it installed, and we'll check out the daytime and nighttime video. For this install, I'll be using the magnetic base. Now screw on the front part of this mount. Screw this mounting bracket onto the back of the solar panel. You can loosen this collar to adjust the angle. Next, I installed the solar panel. I connected the solar charging cable to the camera. Now you can place the camera onto the mount. This Argus 3 camera is installed at my front door. Let's take a look at the live view during the daytime. As you can see, the camera is pointing out to the front of my house, and right here is a walkway to the front door. So if anyone walk up here, the motion sensor will detect a person, record a short video, and notify me on the app. I'll turn it sideways so you can see the full screen. To hear the audio, press the speaker icon. If you want to speak through the camera, press the mic icon right here. Now tap this microphone. Hey Porch Pirate, leave the package alone. I'm calling the police.
Hey Porch Pirate, leave the package alone. I'm calling the police.
Now when motion is detected, you'll get a notification from the app. Tap on the notification, and it'll take you directly to the playback video. So for the recorded video we just watched, there's a date and a time, and if there are multiple recordings, it'll be listed along this timeline right here. If you want to download the video, press the download icon right here. Now you can download it to your phone. Now I did enable the LED spotlight, so when motion is detected, the camera will automatically turn on the spotlight and begin recording. Here's a look at the video at night. Now the LED spotlight is on right now, that's why the nighttime image is in color. I'll turn off the spotlight so you can see the night vision will be in black and white. As you can see, the Reolink Argus 3 camera has many good features you want on a wireless security camera. With a full HD resolution, I found the video to be very clear for both day and night. Also, if any motion is detected, the Reolink app will notify you of the event. If you also get it with a solar panel, this camera system is completely maintenance free. You don't have to worry about charging the battery periodically. With a built-in spotlight, it's able to illuminate a large area in front of the camera. It works well as a security light, and also it'll give you the ability to see the nighttime video in color. If you're interested in getting something like this for your home, check out the link below. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video. To support this channel, remember to click on thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified of new videos.